Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Keigo Moriyama Photography. And today I want to talk to you about a problem that I had here when using one of my tools. So I want to share with you my experience and the solution that I have found. As you probably know, I'm using the H4n as one of the recorder, and this as other device that have a rubber enclosure, usually after a certain time tend to have a really sticky surface. Especially during summer, I noticed that, and so when you're going to use it, at the end you will have your hand sticky, dirty, and well, you don't want to use the device anymore. So how can we solve this issue? Well, it's pretty easy, honestly. There are a couple of solutions I searched online, and let's say that the easiest one is to use the alcohol. But the cons of this method is that the rubber will tend to be white. So yes, you're going to ruin or possibly ruin the surface of the item itself. That doesn't mean that you are ruining the item itself. So I said, okay, what other solution I can find in order to keep using my tool without being worried or having all the stick hands. Well, I use this ArmorAll original, and this is not a sponsored video. This item, and you can find similar one if you can't find the exact ArmorAll one that I bought on Amazon, is a tool that allow you to clean the dashboard of your car. And I use this small towel here, and I have already tested out on the back of my Zoom H4. I have to say that the stickness is gone, even if I didn't use it too much. So even with just simply scrubbing and utilize the ArmorAll, the effect is pretty positive. I need to do on the front of the surface, so for this reason I'm going to do this part with you and showing how to proceed. I have to admit that the surface on the back, I don't know if you will be able to focus, is definitely good one, and it seems like it's new, so I'm really happy with the results. So let's go directly to clean the front surface of the Zoom H. Hopefully that this solution will help you in situation like your recorder, your camera grips are facing this sticky rubber solution. Okay, so the first things that we are going to do is to take our towel and put a little bit of this ArmorAll and simply start to rub on the surface that is sticky. And even with just a few steps like I'm doing now, the surface seems already pretty clean. You can see here the dirtiness of the rub. And I hope you can see already the difference between the clean part and the not clean part, even from the sound. So I'll just keep doing that So now that my H4n is clean, it's like new. I have to say it's really simple. 5 minutes and you can have your equipment back to like new style. I'm going now to use this H4n how can I say, case, special case, so that I can protect it a little bit more. That's all for me for today. I will leave the link to purchase the ArmorAll original, and if you are interested, the case for the Zoom H4n in the description below. Of course, there are links that will help the channel to grow, but will not cost you anything more. I hope you like this quick video, and that I hope will help you in situations like the one that I had with my recorder. As usual, till next time, stay click. Bye.